Guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your design or your book cover into a mock-up so I can present it to your clients. So without further delay, let's just jump into the tutorial. Alright, so now this is the book that I designed. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave this in the description for you to download. Once you click on it and it sends you to my blog, when you're trying to download it, it's going to be redirecting you. Do not stop. Once it redirects you, kindly close it and come back to it again. Click on the link. When it redirects you, cancel it and come back to the link again until you realize that you are in my Google Drive. When you're in my Google Drive, that's when you can get it. If it's not Google Drive, please cancel it and then click on the link again. Without further delay, let's just click on it and then let's see. And so what I am going to do is I'm going to, let me see, this one is this one is this, this one is this, and then this one is the one beneath it. So I'm going to start with it one by one. I'll click over here and you can see over here we have book spine, we have the book cover, and then the shadows and stuff like that all fixed in there nicely. I will start with the book cover. So I'll double click here, opens this for me. I'll click on the topmost one and then I'll come here and then pick my design and drag it in there. Now this looks like this is the front, right? So I'm going to use the front of my design and then just fix it in there like that. Great. And I click on Ctrl S and then close it, and then automatically saves over here. I'll go to the spine as well and then do the same thing, drag it in there, put it in the middle here like that, and then drag it all the way here till it touches the bottom, and then just put a spine there like that. Okay, and then Ctrl S to save it, then close it. Great. Now you're done with book 1. Let's go to book 2. Book 2, we have the book spine, book cover. Let's go to the spine and then let's drag it in there, enter, save it, and then close it so you can see it over here, right? And then let's go to the book cover and then let's pick it, drag it in there, and then as usual just send it up like that and then enter, save it, and then close it, and then you can see it over there too. Now we are done with book 2. Let's go to book 3. Which one is the book 3? The one underneath it. So let's go to the book spine and then we repeat the same process, guys, the same process. This one is the back of the book. First, this is the shadow. Don't want to change that. This is the spine. You can see it over here, back cover spine. So click on it, close it. We don't want that one. Click on it, and then let's go and pick and fix the spine again. Let's fix the spine. Now the reason why you can't see it is because it falls here. Let's drag it on top of it. Great. Now let's send it up here, and then let's see how it can. All right, so this is good. Ctrl S to save it and then close it so you can see it over there nicely as well. The back cover, click on it and then let's put our back cover there. So we're going to fix this one here and then let's drag this one here like that, and then enter, and then drag this one up, and then let's try and then tweak it. Let's tweak it. Let's tweak it. Let's tweak it. Okay, great. Let's see, enter. Let's bring this one down a little bit and this one here a little bit, push this one here. Okay, enter, Ctrl S to save it and then close it, and then just like that we are done with your mock-up. I mean, you're done with fixing your images and your design, your artwork into the book mock-up. It's quite simple, guys, right? So I'm going to leave it in the description for you to download and then use it for your mock-ups. Okay, I love you all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.